Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to TV Reviews. So today I want to talk about something a lot of you have been asking me about. What's the best IPTV player for Apple TV? So there are some really popular players out there right now. You've got IPTVX, there's Chilio Player, Hot Player, and honestly a bunch of others too. They're all pretty solid options with their own strengths. But here's something important you need to know. Every IPTV service is a bit different, right? They use different codecs, different streaming setups, all that technical stuff. So a player that works perfectly with one service might not be the best choice for another. Now, I gotta be real with you guys here. There isn't really one perfect player that works amazingly for everyone and every single IPTV service out there. But don't worry, I'm gonna help you figure out what's best for your situation. That's why my number one tip for you guys is this. Just reach out to your IPTV provider and ask them which player they recommend for Apple TV. Seriously, they know their own service better than anyone, and they can point you to the player that'll work best with their setup. It'll save you so much time and frustration. Now, let me tell you what I personally use. So I've been using Optic TV for my IPTV service for years now, and honestly, it's been the best service I've ever used. Like genuinely top tier quality and super reliable, and a customer support that I find always. Whenever I have questions or faced issues, they fix in minutes and help. I advise you guys to check them out. Their service works perfectly with Apple TV devices, and it works also for other devices. For example, phone, Fire Stick, computer, literally any device you have. Anyway, for my Apple TV setup with Optic TV, I use IBO Pro Player. And man, this combo has been absolutely perfect. Everything runs smooth, no annoying buffering, picture quality is always on point. It just works beautifully together, you know? I've actually tried some other players before with Optic TV, and they just didn't cut it for me. Some had weird issues, some didn't stream as smoothly, but IBO Pro paired with Optic TV, that's been my go-to for years, and I'm sticking with it. Oh, and one more thing you should know. On Apple TV, most of the really good, reliable IPTV players are actually paid apps. Unlike Android, where you can find free stuff everywhere, on Apple TV, you'll probably need to spend a few bucks. But honestly, it's totally worth it for how much better the experience is. So yeah, to sum it all up, there's no one-size-fits-all answer here because every IPTV service is different. Definitely ask your provider what they suggest. And if you're in the market for an awesome IPTV service to use with your Apple TV, I can't say enough good things about Optic TV. They've been killing it for me, and they actually know what they're talking about when it comes to Apple TV setups. I'll leave Optic TV's info down in the description if you want to check them out. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.